Yeah, you're crazy, Brady. What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. Got a first look of that, the TC2000 by Origin, and yeah, this is a first look, clearly. Yeah, mind you, it is in beta, so it is nowhere near complete, so I'm not going to, like, sit here and, like, criticize every single thing that I see. I mean, I'm just not even going to criticize it at all, because it is, like, still... Origin, how far along are you in this? Because I know you still have a decent amount of work to do. Let's see. You don't know. I'll say you're 50%. Okay, 50%, so... Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I'm not going to really sit here and talk about any flaws, because, you know... Okay, Zaz, do you want to, like, I don't know, move? Please?
Hey, I got one thing to say. The door is still fucking weird.
Okay, let's look on the inside.
It'll work eventually. Because Arjun's
Then we'll take it on a...
one of the best modders, actually. Actually, I think Arjun's is like the third best modder.
That TC2000 logo's on point.
What the hell was that?
So what do you...
Zaz, move. Move. Gosh, I'm gonna, like, ban you from the server or something. Gosh.
Too bad you can't, because no one has perms on this server.
The only one that can ban people.
Well, no.
Actually, I can't, because I don't have my permissions.
Wait, why do none of us have perms on here?
Because James is too lazy.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
Brady, move. Oh my gosh, get out of there. All of you are gonna, like, I'm gonna shoot you in the face. Gosh.
Cameron.
What?
Video, really?
Yeah, so.
But, I got something to tell, and that's really awesome. Look at the windows, how he did the thing, the covers over the windows. I like how he added that.
God, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and see how well this thing drives away from everyone.
Cameron,
What?
Everyone
look
follow
at the
Cameron.
things above the windows. The window. I like how he added that.
You know what? Screw this.
This didn't even turn into
Screw that.
leaving the server.
No, I'm not leaving the server. No, I'm still recording.
Why are you out of your bus, Cameron?
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just sitting in the bus, just looking around, you know.
I was driving this bad boy.
Bad boy.
Okay,
What
I
is
can
this,
drop you
cops?
Only one would think that.
out. James, I can drop you out already now.
Oh, you gay.
No homo.
Doors didn't open, did they? No.
Alright, we'll drive on next year. You just. Oh, it has no flares either. About that.
Oh, the lag. Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
I just hit so much lag
Wow,
right
thanks,
now.
Origin.
Here, hold on, I'll be back.
Zaz, God.
Origin, yeah.
What?
That's what I thought too.
Back at it again, spawning laggy bus.
No,
I'm about to
that's
beat
not.
Or Arwen from fucking...
Yes, Jensen, that.
Jensen.
Yeah, he was
Wait,
just
are you
saying.
actually still recording, Cameron?
Yes, I actually still am.
Okay.
Hi, James. Look at how much longer that TC is compared to the FS65.
And you know what?
Oh, so shaky.
I thought I had permission when I tried to do something that you're not authorized to do this.
Good.
My fault, server, what the fuck?
Your fault for not having your key in.
I have my key in and I don't have
And
powers.
Cameron's always been what is it called? This is Sean's old server, so y'all should have permissions. Or the thing, yeah.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna record. Why not? I may not have anyone that subscribes to me, but you know what?
Origin, we're driving your stuff.
Gotta give
Origin
Origin that
stuff is the
publicity.
best. So
The turning radius is kind of junky though. Just saying.
It's not, it's pretty good. Cameron, so how do you like his like force? Like when the bus is like starting to speed up acceleration?
there's a very good amount of that. It drives good.
Fast times acceleration.
No way.
There's
Talking
it.
about the sound it makes when you accelerate.
What the heck?
Brady, did you really just say mass time acceleration?
Yeah, that's what force. That's force. Okay, hush.
Whoa. Oops.
Hold on. What's my
Oh, Cameron.
What?
Try to do a donut and it works.
F9?
Yeah, hold on, let
I
me.
got this thing to do donuts today.
Yeah, this turning radius is.
Today.
Nah.
I'm gonna need you guys to be quiet for just a couple seconds.
No. Die.
Please.
Every time I hit F9 to record, somebody says something. Hello guys, my name is Futures. My name is
Just
Futures.
deal with it.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna have to. I'm coming to you today with first look of a TC2000 made by Origin 403. That's his name. Damn it,
Donut
Xavier.
stealing
You spawned the
Cameron's
wrong
thing.
TC.
Oh crap.
Donut Cameron's channel right there.
Oh, yeah, because you certainly didn't steal it either.
I'm
Yeah,
not doing
anyways,
the first
I'm
look.
here
Uh-huh.
with Safety Liner C2 and James EDS 14.
Yeah.
6. They're popular.
It really
How?
technically
Dang
isn't
right.
stealing anything from you because I'm not calling it a first look.
Oh,
Why you
who is it?
thieving?
Who is it? Oh.
Anyways, this bus right here, Origin has made 3 in this pack. It is a 1989, a 1997, and a 2000. Correct me if I'm wrong, Cameron.
2000.
2000.
But damn it, Xavier, your bus is killing my frames.
That's. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Couldn't have a
Oh.
shit
Dang it, someone
computer.
poked me and it, like, screwed up my game.
And RC said, can we not use the FS65? Makes me sad now.
Haha.
Can you get rid of that TC2000?
You hush a minute.
So did you lose your boarding camera?
No, it just like it popped up TeamSpeak and my driving was all over the road after that.
So, are you gonna re-record?
I'm
Yes.
still recording.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Idiot.
Hello guys, my name is Futures, and today I'm bringing you a first look of a new bus. Origin 403's TC2000 pack. It includes a 1989 TC2000, a 1997, and a 2000.
Oh my god.
Let's just
God
give me a
damn,
second.
Zaz, cooking shit up. Oh, they probably can't even hear this bus. Right
There we
now.
go.
They're probably like, "Why
Anyways,
you so
this
loud?"
bus is very early beta. There's still a lot that has to be added to it, including more sounds, flares, props,
I want to hear.
and but other than that, not much. It, as you can see, it's pretty
Shut
well
up.
modeled.
Shut up. Talk too
Got a
much.
bing in the wood
James.
and got it in the bing.
Alright, I'm
Brady,
just gonna
hush.
pop in. As you can see, it's got a TC2000 logo right there that I really like.
Origin, we're only using your stuff. I don't know why anything is crashing you.
Thing is really slow to start. I don't know why. As you can hear, it's got really good Cummins 5.9 diesel sounds.
Origins buses, bay.
You're telling me, James. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I'm
oops.
joined here by Safety Liner C2 and James EDS 1496. And that ROR
Don't
guy, though I do have
subscribe
him
to
muted
him.
on
If
TeamSpeak.
y'all subscribe to him, unsubscribe.
What?
I doubt
know you
anyone
don't fuck
actually
with-
subscribed to me, James.
Yeah,
I said if you do
Go watch
subscribe
Brady's
to him,
video. I'll post it in the
unsubscribe.
description or whatever. What the? What?
What the?
No, what? But the whole camera view was upside down. Like,
Okay, then, Cameron.
no, I'm just pushing C and it, because earlier it was fine. Like, what?
Cameron, it's saying you have 3 bluebirds spawned.
Well, I only have 2.
Jeez. I'm getting such low frames that I can't even turn well.
I'm getting 59 FPS.
But anyways, this bus, I really like it
62.
right now. It does need more, but it is
Cameron,
an
why don't
early
you turn on
beta.
VSync?
So, as you can see,
Cause,
Because what?
flares
I don't know.
work,
What's the
Sword
more than 60
doesn't
FPS
work,
in a game like
and
Rift?
these stop signs,
What's the
well,
point
it
of
has
more
a
than
stop
60 in a
sign.
game like Rift?
But I take it if
I
they
know.
know correctly,
Plus it keeps
Origin
your
is
job
going to
working
add
so
all
hard.
of those in the
Cam.
future.
What?
Loads of chips and salsa.
And
I don't
if
care.
he does,
Sure.
that
No,
makes
no.
us
Trying
even
to
Okay.
better than
In a
going.
bit.
Okay.
They're gonna
Aaron,
be
what do you-
turn off this.
What am I what?
Never mind.
Okay.
That's why I thought.
Default porn.
This is
Ew.
default porn.
I'm just gonna take this for a drive around because I'm not sure what else to do in a first look video. It's not like I'm Safety Ladder C2 or anything.
Dang right you're not.
Bring it around town.
At least I'm not James.
I don't do first looks.
I know.
Guys.
What?
Holy fucking shit. I'm losing it right now. 2 FPS. 1
52 FPS.
I feel like Hashan right
47.
now. I feel like Hashan.
We all got this
Something's
great
killing
FPS, and
my
then they go
brains.
Brady over in the corner.
How much FPS
And
you have, Brady?
There it goes again. I'm getting really bad stutters.
Hold on, Brady, where are you?
FPS with this bus. This bus is like so not like.
This pussy.
Well, you gotta remember I'm recording a crap.
Why are you
I'm
using
recording
Wait a
too.
minute.
Oh, there he is.
God damn it, I haven't been recording.
Man, get out of me.
Is that what you said
So
last night?
it's just
Shut
gonna be
up.
driving around.
Make sure your mic's on too.
It is, James. If it wasn't
Are your
on-
system sounds on?
Yes. Hold on.
Like
That's a
yes,
no.
Hold on.
Where does it say system sounds? Record when
I thought they were
7%?
on.
Yeah.
There should be 2 different.
Wait. Damn it. It
Oh,
was
shit.
recording.
It was recording. Wow. Thanks. Hold on. I gotta find something, Zaz. Where What?
Redo
Where?
it. and
Okay, here.
pretend like this didn't happen.
Man, stop honking your horn at me. I'm trying to do something.
Man.
Man, stop honking your horn at me.
Man, stop being gay.
Wait, Cameron, are you
I
still
don't know,
recording
but
or
I
no?
really like
Yes.
TC2000.
Damn it.
Eh.
We need to get
Oh
Eric
my-
on here to say his catchphrase.
Eric is here.
Well, he needs to talk. Telegram. Oh boy. Okay, maybe I won't fuck off with the recording.
Oh yes, I just remembered while I was
Probably not.
talking to Cameron's viewers. Make sure you go to
Man.
telegram.me/agpublic to view the public group that we have for anyone.
Break.
Yeah.
Cameron will
Links.
also make sure to post a link in the description on how
Dang right I will.
I will too.
And then there's just James over there. So will I.
Here's Xavier.
I'm almost at 1,000. Last I checked, I had 980.
Okay.
And I'm at 30.
Becoming a big boy.
Oh man. You're gonna be number 3.
Out of all of you.
Alright, time to follow Brady.
I can't process this long fast, can I? Damn it, Xavier.
Guys, this is probably all I'm about to record. This rest of the
Oh,
cover.
there he goes.
Well, thank y'all for watching. and-
Where is it? Oh.
I just-
Brady, how do you move whenever you're flying?
Magic.
What? Just tell me.
Just tell-
Yes, Eric.
Yes, Eric. I love you.
No, Eric just poked me.
Bye bye, Cameron.
Right, I'm gonna
Look
release
at
it,
TeamSpeak.
and I'm actually gonna hopefully
What?
get this
Yes.
thing to record now.
Yes, Arjun. You should have just poked me.
Cam.
Oh, okay, please do.
Okay, I'm gonna still make mine feel.
Just to me, though. Just send it just to me, Arjun.
Okay.
No one
I'm gonna
else.
record.
Wait,
Cameron, look at me.
Hold on, where are you?
Look straight ahead. Further away.
Straight ahead. Oh,
To your left.
but tell me!
Okay,
Just
that's
tell me your magic!
Safety Ladder C2 being talking to himself. Hello guys, my name is Futures Minion.
Oh my gosh.
Today I'm bringing you a first look of Origin 403's TC2000. Why did it move my camera? His TC2000 pack comes with 3 buses, a 1989, a 1997, and a 2000. Right now I have the 1997, and we're gonna
I see.
take it It is in beta. The flares do not work, does not work in the props, and the sounds are not fully complete, and the interior is not fully complete. But we expect him, geez, I can't talk today. We expect him to finish it soon, and I think when he finishes it, it'll look very nice. Alright, without further ado, let's go drive. There is no startup sound, well, there's no key turn sound, but you can hear that it's got a very nice 5.9 Cummins diesel sound. And we're gonna go drive. Today, right now,
Yes, I do want to know.
C2, as you can hear rambling on about students.
What?
You know, the way that you do it is how you doing it before.
How you're doing what before?
The maker of this bus.
That's all.
Today I'm using ROR 046,
If it
and it is a really good version. What, Cameron?
if it's the arrow keys, then mine don't work for whatever reason.
It's more than the arrow keys.
Here,
Oh.
this bus sounds good, but it does, I'm guessing, use
No.
the structure
Do I use the arrow keys with it?
from Grayson's original HDX.
Oh, no.
Cameron, who the hell are you talking to?
Myself and Xavier.
Oh, that's right, I thought I muted Xavier.
Yeah, you
Oh. Whoa.
die in a hole, Brady.
Okay.
Back. We're just gonna drive it real quick. It had
My sound was
just a quick update that no one noticed.
that's why I had it
I'm gonna take a random thought
external
from this to say it's probably doing the protein speak.
Yeah. No, it wasn't echoing when I had it off.
That seems actually better.
External input, so that's why. Is the server back up or no?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Arjun,
go
that
video.
Arjun, that's so much better. They work a lot better now. Let's see if I can.
I'll bring it back.
Yep, those work better.
God damn it, Cocaine Cat.
Did you just say cocaine cat?
Isn't that what Eric says?
No,
What does he say?
nothing like that.
When you're talking about Eric and his stupid cat, what do you say, Eric?
Eric doesn't have a cat, I don't think.
No, Evan. When Evan's playing a stupid cat, what do you say? God damn it, Cocaine Cat.
No, I've never heard him say that before.
Cameron, when's this video gonna go up?
Saturday, Sunday. Because I have one going up tomorrow.
I want the publicity too. Wait, were you gonna link my channel?
If I remember, yeah.
Okay, I might remind you. I also might have you link to the video. Maybe
Okay.
get some subs.
Okay.
Yeah, get me some submarine sandwiches.
Yes, because I'm sure this is what's going to get you that. Listening to people hear you talk about submarine sandwiches.
Yum. I'd laugh if you were actually still recording.
I am.
But you know.
Yeah, I am. You're going to watch this and you're going to realize, oh, wait, I was being dumb there because he still is.
Oh dear. That's gonna be good.
Oh, yeah.
I watch every single one of your videos, Cameron. I'm your biggest fan.
Oh,
Can I
gosh.
express this now?
Nope.
Literally everyone on the AG forum.
Yep, well, now everyone knows how thirsty you are, so.
But not me. Nobody likes James. Well, that's kinda true. They can.
Alright.
See, was I driving earlier? I'm gonna drive the 97.
We're going to end it here, and then I'm going to get on Community Map and record something else. That's it.
Ooh, I'll
Thanks for
join you.
watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you're now subscribed to Safety Diner C2.
C2?
Not going to finish it? No?
No.
Oh, okay.
Remember it off the top of my head.
Oh, well, I do. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or... Still not going to finish it? over here. I don't know where they put it down and where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or Brady's gonna come and annoy you.
Also, don't forget to share it to your mom, share it to your dad,
No.
share it to your friends, show it to
No.
a guy on a random street.
No.
Don't care, don't get raped.
No.
I just did it.
Make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped.
Get raped.
So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And thanks